And the single most effective way to diagnose your heart at that point is to look at your relationship with the Quran. قال عثمان رضي الله تعالى عنه لو طهرت قلوبنا لما شبعت من كلام الله عز وجل. If the hearts were pure, they never become full of the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They never become full of the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now I want you to think about the physical heart. How do you know that your heart is not healthy? When you start jogging, what happens? You run out of breath. And here, spiritually, you run out of breath when you read the Quran. You read a couple of pages and you get tired and bored and you want to put it away. If the heart is pure, لَمَا شَبِعَتْ مِنْ كَلَامِ اللَّهِ, it doesn't become full. It has more breath. And what do you do when you physically want to increase your heart rate and be able to run longer? First you run half a mile until your heart becomes adjusted. Then you can run a mile. Then you can run 2 miles. Then you can run 3 miles. The same thing is true with the Quran.